Are you looking for the best in-vehicle entertainment experience streaming in apps, keeping kids quiet in the back seat while keeping sanity in the front seat for parents? Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Joe Caltabiano from Vox Electronics, VP of Vehicle Entertainment. And I'm going to take you through a little tour of our dual 10.1-inch smart TV seatback system. This is a dual video system that includes the kitchen sink of user inputs, everything from old school DVD player and one of the monitors where content can be shared between both monitors, all the way up to streaming content directly into the monitors. Our monitors are Wi-Fi enabled, which means you have to connect to a hotspot. That could be your mobile device, or if you have a newer vehicle that comes with a Wi-Fi option, you can connect to the Wi-Fi in the vehicle. That creates an access point. You don't need your phone to stream a Netflix or a Disney Plus or a Hulu through the phone to our monitors. You can stream directly to those apps. Those apps are located right on the home screen. You select apps, you can open it up. We preload certain apps like Netflix and Disney Plus to make that user experience as you first get the unit installed right out of the box, a good one. But then you can go to the Google Play Store and download whatever entertainment apps you want, whether that's music, productivity, video apps. It's endless. You choose the apps, load them up. As long as you have a subscription to those app services that require one, you can stream away. Each monitor comes with 16 gigabytes of memory. What does that allow you to do? Well, instead of having to always be reliant on Wi-Fi driving down the road, you can easily create one of the hotspots being your home network. While you're in cars in the garage or it's in the driveway, turn on the monitors, connect to your favorite app like a Netflix that allows downloading offline content, download some movies, shut off the Wi-Fi. Now you have movies to last you hours or days on your road trip without having to have Wi-Fi constantly on the fly. Like I said, DVD is in one of the monitors and the content can be shared, but any of the source inputs, whether it's the DVD player, the streaming capabilities, we also have a USB input and a micro SD input. If you're the type of individual that downloads content onto those media devices, all that content could be shared between one monitor to the other. It could be shared two different ways. Simply hit dual screen and an analog signal will be sent to the other monitor so you can see both, or you can share it through high definition, one monitor to the other by setting one monitor up as a transmitting monitor, the other monitor set it up as a receiving monitor. Both content can be shared on those monitors. The unit itself is an Android operating system. It's got a high RAM content, so it never glitch. It'll always stay running. A smooth touchscreen, capacitive touch capability, so it's very responsive to your fingertips. And it comes with a universal bracket. The bracket allows a simple install underneath the seat post guides. It's not attaching to the actual physical headrest itself. It's going underneath the seat post guides to create a stable mounting of the unit, no bouncing as you're going down the road hitting potholes. It also allows free movement of the actual headrest, unobtrusive to the user, and if they want to move the headrest up and down. The best quality feature of the whole unit is the fact that we have an app that we created for Android and for Apple phones that allows a front seat driver to control each of those monitors independently without having to see them. So video in the past has always been pull over the vehicle, reach over your shoulder with a remote, fumble once a movie stops playing. Well, right from the front seat, as long as the phone device that's controlling the monitors is on that same Wi-Fi access point, you can easily open our VoxLink app, which is available on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. It's a free app, by the way. Download the app, select the monitor you want to control. You'll see a video image of that monitor, and then you can go in and control every facet of that monitor. So it's great for peeking in on teenagers that may be watching content that you don't want them to see in the back, and it's also good for controlling it for small individuals that are still in car seats. They're too young to touch the screen and control it themselves. So there you go, everybody. If you're looking for the ultimate in rear seat entertainment, please visit our website, www.voxelectronics.com. You can find more information.